Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. I am so excited for this video. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and nice to meet you and join the family. Well, in this video, I'm going to be doing unboxing my Glam Bag X. So I'm so excited because it took forever to get here. My Boxycharms and my Ipsy did not come too late in the month. I just received these the other day, so I can't wait to open them. Alright, so if you're interested in that, keep watching. Alright guys, without further ado, let's jump into this. So I'm going to open it up. This is going to be a little extra for Ipsy unboxings because January's I did not open. So I'm going to open that box also to see what I got for January. I have not opened it. I received it so late in the month. I guess because of the weather and this, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but I didn't receive it till late. So this is my Ipsy for January. Let's open that one up first to see what I got. So this is January. Oh, look how cute. I don't remember what I picked. So, and you do get choice items now. So I don't remember what I picked. This must be, so they have a new thing. Let's see. So this bag is so pretty. I mean, I love yellow. My car is yellow. So it has like butterflies. You see that? And flowers. I love it. It's like a silk. So this is the refreshments. This is something new. It says banish boring routines with extra clean face and body essentials. And so it's sparkling clean ingredients, cruelty-free and 100% vegan. So that is their thing. They give you some stickers that says refreshments, and you could kind of, I'll probably be giving that to G. She loves stickers. Let's see. So it actually tells you how the refreshments process works. It says relax, your refreshments are on their way. We'll ensure you're well stocked for your routine with your favorite superstar essentials, and from time to time we'll add some everyday extras for you to try. It says you're in control, use hand cream more, face wipes less, update your recurring monthly orders by adding, removing, or skipping products before we bill you on the last day of each month at Ipsy.com refreshments. So I did choose to get the refreshments, to start receiving the refreshments because I was so interested. So I think it was only a $5 add-on for this. So let's see. It looks like they have like hand creams, they have a body wash, they have razors, they have face wipes, they have a hand cream, body cream, and then a new coming soon pillowy shave cream. So, but everything is 100% vegan, and that's why I was like, yes, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. It's skincare, it's beauty. I'm intrigued, girl. So let's see. For this month, I did get the face wipes. So this is 30 count face cleansing face wipes. I don't use a lot of face wipes. I mean, I used to be the face wipe queen. I used to buy boxes of face wipes. So I kind of like stopped doing that because I wanted to do less waste. So I'll actually use reusable pads, but I do keep these on hand just for when I'm making videos and I do swatches or something on my hand. I can hurry up and wipe it off, but I don't use many of them, but it is good to have on hand. So it says rinse free, removable makeup, dirt and oil, leaves skin fresh, clean and hydrated. So it's always vegan and free of parabens, phosphate and sulfates. So that's those. I wonder if they have a smell. Let's see. I don't smell any smell, just like a regular wipe smell, but that's that. So that's nice to get every month because you always need that if you use that. And then I did get the Luscious hand cream. This one is in citrus spurts. So I cannot have enough hand cream, lotion. I'm just all about it, all about it. It is sealed, so I like how both products were sealed. Oh, it does. It smells good. Let's put that on our hands. Oh, it's really thick and creamy. I like a thick moisturizer. So let's see. I'll put that on my hands. Oh, it's like citrus. So it's like, you know, makes you wake up. It's like a feeling like that fresh citrus smell, like wake up in the morning. All right, so on to the actual bag. Let's pause because I'm sweating. All right, so I'm back. I had to put on the AC because I'm in Louisiana. If you are new here, and I am a Louisiana girl, but anyway, Louisiana, last week it was freezing. This week it's in the 70s. So yeah, so let's get the bag on. All right, so this is the actual bag for January. It says Dream. It's light blue. That's so cute. I love these little bags. So cute, so cute. All right, and you do get the card in there. It says Dream It, January 2020 month, new year, woo! And the sky is the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. Get into this month's theme at Ipsy.com, Dream It. So that's the theme of the month. It gives you a little extra information about the refreshments, because I think that was the first month of refreshments. It says starting price at $5 extra a month, and then you could actually get add-ons to that, and it'll be 20 to 30% off the MSRP of the items, and it's clean, 100% vegan ingredients. So that's the card. I wish it had the list, but it doesn't, so let's get over it. So the first product that I pick up is Decay Hydrating Hair Balm. This is a Mistress. It says vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, UV protection, petroleum and mineral oil-free, paraben and sulfate-free, which I use. Oh, it's got coconut oil. So it's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. It says dry, coarse, frizzy hair. You want smooth, soft, hydrated hair. Apply to damp or dry hair, air dry or blow out. So I can't wait to try this. I love hair products, because, you know, you just can't just pamper your skin or your body. You need to take care of that hair. I have a lot of hair care products right now that I'm trying, but I will make that in my rotation, and I will update on y'all. So the next product I pick up is the Best Brow Toolkit. This is from Billion Dollar Brows. It has a spoolie, tweezers, and a little hair trimmer. So let's see. Scissors, straight edge, stainless steel scissors, perfect for trimming those pesky brow hairs. Tweezers, stainless steel professional grade tweezer, specially coated with design with precision in mind. And then you got your eyebrow brush, the angle brush on one side and the spoolie on the other. So let's open this up. And of course I don't know the MSRP for these items. I can look them up and I'll put them on the screen. I am so ready for spring. Who's ready for spring? Come on. That freeze that we had in Louisiana, oh my God, all my plants, like, I had a lavender plant forever, and it's so hard to grow lavender here. And guess what? I don't know if it's going to make it after this one. I don't know if it's going to make it. I'm so sad. So it's just a nice tweezers, which I'm not mad at. And it comes with the little scissors that looks really sharp, and to trim your eyebrows. You got a spoolie and the angled brush on the other end. So I mean, you can't really have too many of these, I think. I have a bunch of them, but you never could have too many. The next product I pick up, this is from Cover Effects. This is in Celestial. It is a pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want. A veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. So this is just a shadow cream. You could use this by itself. You could build it up and just buff it out, blend it out, or you could actually add this to the top of other shadows. So that is nice. Oh, so we got some brushes. This is from firmabeauty.com. I never heard of this brand before. Have y'all? It says Firma Beauty. I'm gonna have to check it out. So you got two brushes. This is brush 201, which is a nice fluffy brush. And then you have another fluffy blending brush, Firma 403. So it's always nice to have a bunch of brushes in your collection. And then the last product in my January Ipsy bag is this. This is Moods by Laura Sanchez. It says, with much love, I present to you Moods, a palette that defines who I am. On one hand, sweet and feminine, and on the other, strong and determined. I name the tones of this palette using emojis, which are a form of global expression, so visual that it breaks the language barrier. I want you to have a little bit of my love in your makeup kit. So let's open her up and see what it looks like. This says 12-month shelf life, and it has the little bunny, which we like the little bunny. So this is what it looks like. It says moods. The packaging is pretty cute packaging. It's got the girl. Oh, this is nice. It has a big mirror. It looks like 2 highlights and really pretty colors in there. So that is the last item for that bag. Now let's get on to the X. I'm so excited to see what the X is all about. All right, so let's open the Glam Bag X for February. Finally received it. All right, so this is what it looks like. It comes in a box. It has the foam for protection. And let's see what we got. Let's dig in. All right, let's see. It comes with a little flyer, so hopefully they're going to list all the products, because that's like one of my pet peeves. I love when it has that little card to read off of to see how much the actual price of the product is. Hopefully it's on this thing so I can read it. It's a big flyer. It's nice to read. All right, let's see what we got. The first thing I pick up is going to be from Complex Culture. This is Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Relax, you got this. Our Sonic Power Tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt skin. So this is just a little facial massager. So it's great for like before makeup application or before you go to sleep when you put your essences on, your oils on. You could actually just work it into your skin and really get that products into your skin. Let's see. It looks like it's going to take a battery. Yeah, it didn't come with a battery. You got to get a battery. This says the Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. The MSRP for this item is $58. So the next product I pick up is going to be Private Doctor by ID Hospital Define Minus Serum, formulated to minimize lines and create definition. All right, I'll open her up. This is what it, oh, this bottle is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's like a rose gold. So pretty. So this says Private Doctor. This is no average face serum inspired by professional derm treatments. It's used micro tingling spicules to deliver a cocktail of smoothing, firming, and plumping ingredients to the deepest layers of the skin. And I always love trying new serums, and I need that minimizes lines. Yes, girl. So the MSRP for this item is $49. So I am so intrigued to try that. I will rotate that into my skincare tryouts. The next item I picked up is from Saints and Sinners Illuminati Divine Shine Holographic Serum. So this is another serum. This says Illuminating Divine Shine Holographic Serum, like a highlighter for your hair. The serum is infused with organic, light reflecting particles and nourishing oils like coconut, love that, olive, and jojoba oils to leave your strands looking ultra shiny and feeling super soft and smooth. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Let's see if it's got a seal on it. Nope, no seal. It says, shake well, apply sparingly throughout wet or dry hairstyle as desired. Let's try it. Oh, it does have a seal on the top. It looks like they taped it, which maybe they just did that for shipping purposes so it wouldn't leak. Let's see. I'm going to put a little bit. It's like a gel. It's a clear gel. Can you see that? But it's not like sticky like a gel. It's like an oil. Ooh, yes. Girl, I'm all about the hair. Nice. And it smells really good. It smells really good. Alright, so the next item I pick up is from Pat McGrath Labs. This is their Fetish Eyes Mascara. It's in a package like this. Let me get some samples, girl. Me and my girl's going to have a little girl day today. So I'm so excited. So this is her Fetish Eyes Mascara. So it says, this cult favorite mascara from world-renowned makeup artist Pat McGrath has a flexible, buildable formula that allows you to go from soft and fluttery to bold and thick, making it to the ultimate pro artist secret for customizable lashes with zero clumps or flakes. So the MSRP for this item is going to be $30. So I can't wait to try her formula because I haven't tried that mascara, and I know I try all kind of mascaras. It's a miracle I haven't tried that one. Alright, so the next item I pick up is from Patrick Ta for face. I love these blushes. They're really, really nice. So I have one, but I picked up a different shade. Now I remember I did choose this one because you got to choose like from different colors. I remember picking this. This is his blush. Look how pretty the packaging is. So pretty. And then you open it up and it's got a big mirror and a big pan of blush. It has this little symbol in there. Let's see. It says, Flush Fresh, lit from within. Skin is a Patrick Ta signature. Get the look IRL with a few sweeps of this blush across your cheeks and lids. It doubles as a shadow. The pigments are infused with light reflecting mica for a luminous glow. It's called Monochrome Moment Velvet Brush. MSRP for this item is $32. So this shade right here, this one is She's Passionate. So I like it. It is definitely a shade. Oh, it's so creamy. Look at this. That is so pretty. Can't wait to wear that color. So the next item I pick up is from About Face. It's a matte paint it lip color. This is it's got the bunny. Let's see. Oh, look at this color. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So it's matte painted lip color. This one's in Cautionary Tale. Let me see. So this says that the MSRP for this item is $22. I've been seeing these everywhere and I've been wanting to try them. So I'm so glad I received it in my Ipsy. Thank you. Look at that color. That is so pretty. Ooh, it's like a dark purple, like berry. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I can't wait to try that. Thank you. The next item I pick up is from Huda Beauty. It's the Rose Gold Palette Remastered. This is a very beautiful palette. I don't know if y'all seen this palette, but it is so pretty. So pretty. The Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette, the MSRP for this item is $65. So that's what it looks like. So pretty, so pretty. She has a large mirror. Really nice packaging. It comes with a little sleeve to cover the shadows. And these are all the shadows. So this is a really, really pretty palette. I love the shimmers in this palette. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is actually curated from the makeup artist Patrick Ta. So if y'all are interested in Ipsy and joining the Ipsy family, I have the link below. Alright guys, so that is it. That's it for my Ipsy January bag and my Ipsy X for February. That was my first one. Alright y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video and y'all stay blessed.